Are you thinking about grabbing one of the Baby Molly Pocket Friends from PopMart's latest Feeling Blue series? You're not alone. These little vinyl plush pendants have been causing a stir, especially among fans of cute collectibles. Molly's back with a soft, emotional twist that's both heartwarming and stylish. This time, she's wearable too, doubling as a keychain you can take anywhere. From the moment you open the blind box, there's this fun rush of excitement not knowing which one you'll get. And let's be honest, the cat-themed designs are stealing the show. Collectors are loving the vibrant outfits, especially the black, yellow, and pink versions. Scrolling through fan comments, it's clear people are obsessed. One person said PopMart is going to make them broke, and honestly, it's easy to see why. Whether you're drawn to Who's a Good Girl, the blue one, or hoping for the secret figure, the hype is real. People are trading, hunting for restocks, and sharing their pulls like it's Pokemon cards all over again. Reddit threads are full of users saying things like, "I scored the pink one," or "still hoping for the secret to match my black cat." That community energy makes the whole experience even more fun. That said, it's not all sunshine and sparkles. Some buyers mentioned the whiskers on Molly look a bit cheap in person, not quite matching the polished look in the promo pics. And it can be really frustrating to even get your hands on one, especially with resellers grabbing them fast and driving up the prices. A few fans said they forgot the restock or their app crashed just as they were checking out. Still, the love for the series outweighs the complaints. Most people seem thrilled with what they got, and for many, these have already become a favorite part of their collection. So, is the Baby Molly Pocket Friends series legit or a scam? It's definitely legit. The issue isn't whether the product is real, it's just a matter of managing expectations around quality and availability. If you're into adorable, expressive collectibles and don't mind the blind box surprise, this might be a perfect little joy to add to your shelf or your keychain.